You might want to get back and rewatch some reels you have saved before on Facebook. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to see saved reels on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight and open up our Facebook app right here. And click on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And from here, you should be able to see the Reels option. So if you don't, just click on See More right here and scroll through these options and just click on Reels. Now from here, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. And immediately you should be able to see the Reels that you have posted on Facebook. So I don't have any yet, but you also have the option to view your saved Reels. So you can click on View Saved right here. And you will be shown a list of the reels that you have saved on Facebook before. So other than your saved reels, you also have the tab for the audio that you have saved, as well as the effects that you have saved for Facebook Reels. So you can just tap on any of these reel videos on Facebook that you have saved and rewatched these reels as you scroll through this page. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.